Sawadee ka. As today is come for the bling bling time for the Christmas theme. Why not? So I just have something is beautiful to present it today. So here you go. And for something is different. If you have it in the house and you don't want to have Christmas tree, you don't want to take it to the dump or do anything after the Christmas time. So here you go. This is the idea. Okay. So you got quite heavy, strong weight vases. So okay. So and then heavy clear glass. Okay. It's better for you have a narrow on the top. And then you got the Christmas light. It's quite clear color in the white, not the green. But if you can't find it, green, fine. Okay, so you put them in there. You can put first or you can put after when you put the twig in there. When you put the willow twig, you must put like cross. Try to keep them cross and then they don't move. Okay, so on here, if you don't want them to be a wider, for what you have to do, you can tie them on it. And for me, it's my idea on here. Later on, I'm gonna put the whipping bowl to tie them. It's a bit on there, or maybe I hide this a little bit somewhere for what you not see, or maybe I put just inside there because it's clear anyway. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna wrap them with the wire. Okay, so and then they not move. Today I do the silver wire and wrap them. It's a bit firm on that. Hopefully they work. Because it's, I think maybe I'll do the silver ribbon is better. So, but that's why I will do and take picture and show you guys how that has come on that. Okay. So, and this is a green apple. It's not real apple. That is a green apple decoration. They come in a wire like this. They come like a bunch like this. I think probably you can buy in a hobby craft. They're really beautiful, like very easy outside. It's really nice. And what you do, you just put the decoration where the gap or where the brown twig. Sorry about that. I just been cold and cough for a couple of weeks now. So right then it's on there. Then that's it. And then you got that. So you either in the home you can have the, you know, you can see the lemons on there, and then what you do is you just put the wire through on here. And next week what I'm going to do, I'm going to teach everyone to do the Christmas wreath as well. Okay, here you just go there through and then close. Make sure you see here. Yeah, there you go. Easy. Yeah. Okay, what I do, then you can even tack whatever you want. Okay, so on there, here, what I do, I just do on here, where you see the gap, and then that's it. Yeah, see? Okay, maybe bend a little bit down and then it can look cool, see? And then I'm gonna put the apple in the behind because I don't want them to see in the back for the green wire to not look tidy enough. So I put that to cover the green wire. So easy on that, and that's it. Right, there you go. Okay. And then you can put some more decoration. Sorry about it. It's not well, but I just would like to share everyone to see how amazing of the willow twig without you know, you have to do something with Christmas all the time, like a Christmas tree and all that. It can come like a willow and all this as well in different design, and then the very modern look as well on that. And if something is not boring, you know, something is new and really nice. See, you can see. And on here, just make sure it's go round. You can get this the stem of the decoration trick on this one as you can get from flower shop. It's cost you is about £2 pound or £2.50, something like that. So on this is less than what you pay for the Christmas tree, and then you can reuse it again and again every year. So doesn't cost you like a massive, you know, money or pay for fortune on that. And then the light on here, you know, very nice one, and that's just only the battery. So that is very pretty, and it's something is different as well for you guys see. And you can put whatever decoration you want. I like to do all these things is just something like quite simple and look is quite natural look. But if you want to put a Christmas bow to hang on that is really nice as well. Hopefully the kid will like it, you know, the kid like it, and I like it myself. Maybe I'm gonna try that on later on when I deliver it to my customer as it's a spa, okay, and just a local area in Ealing, okay. So, and then that's it for really. All of this you can put inside here, very easy. So, see, I'll show you for example, okay, there. See, that's nice, easy, yeah, not difficult. So you just on the next week I will teach you guys how to do the Christmas wreath decoration, but probably I try to give you to learn how to do from the scratch and do from the already made wreath and just do the decoration. But hopefully you will like it, the one already made, because you don't have to pay expensive, and then your kid will enjoy it with you as well. Just only just stick everything in and all that. So as today, that's it. It's something is a different and look really fantastic and wow factor in your house or your property or even your business work. And hope you guys like it, okay? And I will bring a lot of different things for you guys, and to see it is something is easy to decoration and easy to do thing by yourself. And any question on this product, anything, please inbox or is a question me under the page. I'll be happy to give you all guys the answer. Okay, today that's it for one of my presenting of the Christmas time, and enjoy yourself. Thank you. Bye for now. สวัสดีค่ะ